And what brings us here today is the energy efficiency and renewable energy credit facility of 120 million euros.
It's the facility that is discussed, negotiated, and will be implemented by banks, with the financial sector. They are the one that knows how to take the risk. They are the ones that have in their business plan the potential clients. What we want is to accompany them to reach this type of market that I mentioned earlier, and to accompany them in reaching the size of the market where naturally the bank would not go in energy efficiency, medium or small size operation, where the profitability is probably not as natural as it would be for big operation, big programs. And this is a process in which we want to continue to work, to be active. We are doing that in other emerging countries. We believe that in South Africa it's just the beginning.
We are now dealing with 3 banks that are represented here today: ABSA, IDC and Nedbank, in order to promote investment in the energy efficiency and renewable energy fields. It's so small or medium-sized projects because we aim to provide funds to projects up to 10 million euros. It means that it will be quite small projects. And we also aim to share our tool, the carbon footprint tool, that Olivier will elaborate on, in order to accompany all this process of integrating the climate change in considering projects.
For example, if we take the case of this project in South Africa, we are going to lend 120 million euros to 3 banks. And we have not really any idea of what is going to be the impacts of these 120 million. We know it's going to be energy efficiency, renewable energy, but in terms of tons of CO2, we don't know. And the two can't help us. So it's a major limitation because, as you saw, credit lines, credit facilities are half of our climate change portfolio. So we've been thinking about it, and the solution we found is we need to diffuse and give the tool to other stakeholders. We need to have a close dialogue with our local partners and local banks, so that we can transfer them the tool, the method. We can transfer them and train them in order for them to be able to use it. So we have capacity building, technology transfer, and it's a win-win situation. AFD the banks or the local partners can report back to AFD the impacts of the project.